Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: an updated iPhone 16 Pro Max, a charged battery, and the new Esim QR or activation code from your carrier. Once ready, open Settings and go to Cellular to view active plans. This is where you remove or replace an Esim. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi because activation often requires downloading carrier data. Doing this prevents activation errors and speeds the process, so start immediately rather than pausing for minor fixes. Now you add the new Esim. Tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the QR code, or choose Enter Details manually if provided with an activation code. This tells the phone which profile to download. If you're moving an Esim from another iPhone, use Carrier Transfer to migrate the profile securely. This avoids contacting support. Once the plan appears, label it clearly and set your default voice and data lines so the phone knows which plan to use for calls and mobile data immediately. To finish, restart your iPhone and confirm the new plan shows signal bars and the carrier name. If you don't see service, toggle airplane mode off and on, reconnect Wi-Fi, and retry activation. This clears carrier provisioning hiccups. Make sure you've set the new plan for data if needed. If problems persist, note the IXID and any error messages, then contact your carrier. Providing those details speeds up support and resolves registration or network provisioning issues more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.